I think he has hemorrhoids.
No makeup on, you know. All natural, kid. Don't care. What's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't seen a video yet, so yesterday we actually went to Monkey Jungle and it was so much fun. I just wanted to do a little quick intro. Mad love to everybody who's actually been keeping up with my videos. I love you all.
Thank you so much for like
the 65 people that are actually subscribed, and thank you for everybody who's liking, commenting, and actually giving me ideas. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Deuces.
No.
You heard it? We are in Monkey Jungle right now, walking through cages like if we're the animals.
Oh my god.
Oh, you feed them here. Wow, that's so lame. How the heck?
Come here. Look how easy. Oh, what's up? Look.
It's not taking my money. I didn't think it was gonna be this difficult to get a freaking Coca-Cola. Give me the 2 quarters. I'm not asking if I have to change. Hold this.
Another car right here.
Finish. Get me a Coke.
Yeah, drop it.
Drop it.
Hey.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, they're so smart.
He brought it down. He freaking brought it down. You are so smart. Here you go, brother. Bring it up. Pull it up. Go!
There's some more stuff on this side.
There. Go, bud.
Oh my gosh.
this is not good. Let it go! Hey! She's recording us! Oh no! You can't! We're switching to a GoPro view because my camera died.
Yeah.
And I'm not, you know, professional. Hold this. Where'd he go?
Sure.
Oh my god, this looks so good on my camera right now.
Tosh, tell Coke to sponsor you.
Say Coke, sponsor me. I'm sweating so much. Like, we're like sticky.